I'm Dr. Deuk, CEO and founder of the Deuk Spine Institute. I'm here with a patient who traveled from New Mexico with her husband, and she has been suffering with a pinched nerve in her lower back from a herniated disc and a slippage of the bones. We call that a spondylolisthesis at L4-5. Now, when I did your MRI review with you, I noticed you had a huge herniation at L4-5 within the neuroforamen. That's where the nerve comes out. It was getting pinched. I showed it to you, traveled here to Florida, and you had your surgery done yesterday.
Right.
How do you feel today?
I feel great. I can't believe it. I can stand up straight. I can walk without looking for a chair all the time. It's a miracle. It's really grand. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
And you had the laser disc repair, the Deuk laser disc repair, which
Yes.
we pioneered here. Your incision was tiny, 7mm Band-Aid, no bleeding, outpatient, no hospitalization. What did you do for this problem before you came to Deuk Spine?
I had, the physical therapy that they make you do first. And then I had radiofrequency ablation at a pain institute.
Did that work?
No, absolutely not. Didn't touch it. And medicine, after a while, painkillers, nothing helped. Nothing.
How did you find out about Deuk Spine Institute?
My husband found it. He was great.
God bless him.
Yeah, he was the one who went online because he said, I can't stand to see you hurting so much all the time. And it was getting worse and worse. So he went online and found it. And then when you offered the MRI review, that was perfect. And I have to say, when you the Zoom call, it was you. I thought it would be just somebody else giving a little report, but it was, I had a list of questions. I totally forgot what they were. You said, I can help you. And that was the magic words.
And did we help you?
Definitely, definitely.
Yeah, I checked your strength today and you came here with weakness. Now you have full strength in your feet. You're able to walk normally.
Great. I'm going to walk on the beach.
Congratulations. Is there anything else you want to tell your fans out there?
I'm going to pass out your business cards in the airport. They should all come if they have a problem. And I do have one particular friend back in New Mexico who has a lot of problems and has had them for years. And so definitely I'm going to talk to her about it.
Yeah, there's no reason, folks, to live with back pain, leg pain, sciatica anymore. We can fix it with a 30-minute procedure that's bloodless, no scar tissue, and it's done with a Band-Aid incision at Deuk Spine Institute. Unfortunately, you won't find it where you live. You'll find it only here at Deuk Spine Institute.
It's great.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
Enjoy your new back and leg.
I will. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Thanks for sharing.